This is a brand new 2014 BMW 535. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, a sunroof, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, high-intensity headlights, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a turbocharger, cornering lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, side impact airbags, a pass-through rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Isringhausen Imports for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in downtown Springfield at 229 East Jefferson. We look forward to serving you.